It's a pretty simple yes or no question, which is
You'd like it to be, sir. Nothing simple in this case. October is 2 months before December. That's correct.
The document that you signed as part of your divorce proceedings, correct?
That's my signature indeed.
Yeah. That is your signature on the right, correct?
Yes, it is.
This is the document you signed, right?
For the third time, that is my signature, yes.
And that was a document you signed in August of 2016. Correct?
Is that the same one that I signed 3 times before? Yes, that's
Well, I wanted to make clear that you signed that in the summer to Paul Bettany, correct?
Again.
Okay. So Exhibit 500, please. 500? 500. Defense Exhibit 500.
I'd like to see who I lied to.
I drink whiskey in the mornings too, right?
Isn't happy hour any time?
Maybe you carried cocaine in that box?
No, but it looks like it would fit some cocaine. I once gave Marilyn Manson a pill so that he would stop talking so much.
That right.
You did.
Did I read that correctly?
You did.
Okay. Did I read that right?
Yes, you did.
Did I read that right?
You continue to read them right, yes.
Right after you cut your finger off, right after, I won't give you anything to argue with me yet. Right after you sustained an injury to your finger, right after you sustained an injury to your finger,
Bless you.
poured yourself a mega pint of red wine, correct?
A mega pint.
Yeah. Fast forward in time a little bit, Mr. Depp.
Yes, I can feel it.
I have other uses for your throat which do not include injury. I have other uses for your throat which do not include injury.
Sorry, could you read that again?
You were drinking pretty heavily.
Were you there? Very ugly situation with Amber. So
Mr. Depp, with respect, trying to respect the court's time and the jury's time, that was not my question. My question was simply, you would agree that objection calls for hearsay.
Let me ask you a different question, Mr. Depp.
Yes. Let's let him object to another one. Had a conversation with Ms. Hurd.
Let's move beyond the conversation that Shelley Murphy had with Mr.
Said, yes, they had. Okay. It appears that Ms. Hurd had told
Hearsay or
she would like for him to quote. That's hearsay, I guess.
I know, if it's sheriff's office for the truth of the matter, sir.
you got it.
Okay, all right, well then.
I'm learning. Ms. Hurd, that
I'll move to strike this as hearsay, Your Honor.
disturbing. Yes, I looked at papers. Maybe they're hearsay papers. I can read it out of someone's article, but not from the man's mouth.
Another one.
Premiere or opening or whatever, where she could be photographed.
And do you recall what you were upset about in that video?
Objection.
Overruled.
Apparently looking for any metadata is impossible as it is now owned by...
I'll sustain the objection.
Wrote in his text message
And
to
he said
Dr.
I meant exactly what the word said. Now it's going to be
All right, I'll sustain the objection. Next question.
Thank you, Mr. Rottenborn.
Sir, if you could just answer the question, Mr. Depp, please. Direct your attention just to your attorney, okay?
Sorry, Your Honor.
Uh,
Ms. Hurd would get upset, angry, argumentative, and violent in Australia. The one that was the day when my tip of my finger disappeared. When she arrived in Australia, she complained that an attorney who was explaining to her the
Objection, Your Honor, is hearsay as to what he alleges her attorney was explaining to her. That's clearly.
You agreed before we started talking.
Mr. Depp, do you recognize what's in that recording?
Seems pretty clear that she's ordering me to the couch. It didn't have anything to do with it.
Objection beyond the scope of the question.
Overruled, I'll allow it. It's fine. All right. Any objection at 365?
No, Your Honor.
All right, 365 in evidence.
Couch. 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 Yes.
Your Honor, she said this was 11 seconds.
I misspoke. I may have been 45. I may have misremembered.
It's
It's
11 seconds long.
I apologize. I misremembered. Okay, it's
All
45.
right. So we can publish it. There you go. Okay.
I want couch. I want couch.
When someone brings up the fact that you vomit in your sleep every night, well, at first I think you'd be aware of it. I think the first thing that I would do is seek medical attention. I don't know why anyone would record that.
Okay, 342. Any objection?
What was it when you asked me to say? What did I do?
The screeching of her voice.
What does that mean in the context of that conversation?
I don't know. Again, it seems like some word that was. It became
Objection,
part
Your
of
Honor.
it.
He said he doesn't know.
All right. I'll sustain objection. Next question.
So at first I said,
Objection, Your Honor. The question was simply, do you remember when that was from? So beyond scope.
So, where were you when that recording was taken?
my children couldn't escape the fact that all this had gone down. So
Objection,
I was.
Your Honor. The question was, how did the discussion go? And he's talking about his children.
Mr. Depp, why were you?
I mean, everybody, I know that that's his job, but that was quite a cruel.
Objection, Your Honor. We're well beyond the scope.
I'll sustain the objection. Next question. All right, any objection at 357A?
No, Your Honor.
All right, 357A in evidence.
Objection. Calls for speaking. Sorry, say it.
I'm asking for his best estimate.
I'll allow it if you can answer this.
Sorry, could you ask it again? I was distracted.
How long after? I have nothing further, Your Honor.
Sir, you can have a seat next to your attorney, please.
Thank you.
All right, your next witness. Ben King. Somebody gonna go get Mr. King? You just,
do away with these.
you can take it with you. Or you just leave it, you can leave it there.
Well, objection, hearsay.
You asked the question.
Oh,
Next.
okay, you said it sustained an injury to his finger,
Yes.
but you don't know what caused the injury to his finger.
That was the dog trying to get into the unit. And they were so afraid. Oh, someone's trying to get into my
That was the first, I'm sorry.
I will say that is the most bizarre deposition.
Okay, all right, it's just, I've just never seen that before. I've seen a lot of things, but I've just never seen.
Driving that.
Yeah, that did it. All right, so,
No.
Mr. Depp had his penis out of his pants,
Objection.
didn't he?